Okay, we got a good one for you today on the Denial of the Day podcast. I'm here with Chris. He's the claims manager here at Bellator Claims. Chris, say hi.
Hello, everyone. How we doing today?
Hey, what's up, Chris? Good, man. So, we're talking about something that's really important that most people overlook, but you
Mhm.
shouldn't because it's super important and can then really change the trajectory of your claim outcome. What are we talking about today, Chris?
We're going to talk about that initial inspection.
What does
Um,
that mean?
well, anytime you file a claim and it's a covered cause of loss in your policy, they're going to send someone out to your house to
They
see the
should.
code.
They should send someone out to your
They
house.
should send somebody out.
Yes.
So,
And so in that
uh,
initial inspection, you want to make sure that the person's coming out actually has the authority to make the decision on the claim. Sometimes they don't necessarily have to be, depending on what state that you're in, they can send someone as their agent or representative of the insurance company to come take a look at the property, even though that person doesn't have the authority to make a decision on the claim. It's unfortunate, but it happens, and you kind of have to let it happen because in your policy, it says reasonable number of inspections, as many as we need to make a claim determination. So just know that that's kind of the background of it all. But if you can, I would suggest asking the adjuster or whoever is assigned to the claim at the very beginning, hey, let's set up an inspection with you, my contractor, and myself to look at the damage of this property. Say we're talking about hail damage to your roof, then you guys want to be able to have someone that has the authority and has the ability to get up on that roof. Chris, what
yeah,
do you say, my
yeah,
friend?
yeah, that's a huge one. You always want to make sure that first one goes great. Obviously, sometimes things will just happen no matter what, and they'll send a lot of assist. You never really know.
Yeah,
But you want everyone there to be present, and then you also want to just be taking notes, kind of documenting what's going on. I
yeah,
think that's very, very important. We have some tools, obviously, that we use.
we do.
We can help our insured as well, but yeah, just making sure you document everything, even just a little bit of details like the time and day that it took place, um, everyone's information. What was the weather like? There are little things that we do that can come back down the road to really help you out when you kind of just document
Yeah.
these things correctly.
Right.
So,
And those folks that are part of our subscription model called Win Your Claim, again, I'm teasing that right now because we're in the beta testing method right now, and we will be fully, hopefully, launching that by the end of next month. So just understand that there are procedures and processes that if you follow correctly and properly and sequentially, you can get a lot better outcome to win your claim. And that's why we call it that.